Bill Goudy checking in. Oh, Lucy Lou too. She's down here. She wants to jump up on my lap, but I don't have much of a lap. I'm sitting on a chair, a straight back chair, and she can't jump up. You want to go outside? You want to go outside? I'll be right back. I tell you, they're worse than kids sometimes. It never fails. Never fails. Turn on the camera and she wants to jump up on my lap. Or she wants something, that's for sure. Listen, I had all kinds of questions. I think it was my last video on the 4-egg omelet. Bok choy. Get it at Walmart. It's excellent. It's a good, excellent vegetable for you. You can use the leaves. You can use the stem. It's a mild, it's like, I don't know if you've ever had kohlrabi. Not quite as, the texture, I don't know how to describe it. It's a stalk like a celery. It's got a leaf like lettuce and a mild flavor. It's very good. I love it. I like it cooked. I like it raw. Barbecue pit dog, my friend there, he was wanting to know about that. Somebody else wanted to know what kind of stove I was cooking on. Well, that's a good question. It's a Roper. I think it's from the 20s, a 1920 Roper stove. And I converted it, adjusted it proper so that I can burn LP gas on it. Works good. I got an LP gas detector. For you safety Sallies out there, that's a LP gas detector right there. Yeah, sir, and it doesn't leak. I mean, I've been using it for a long, long time. Although I'm in a hunting shack. This is it measures 11. This is on the inside measurement now. 11 foot across and 45 foot long. It's just all one big room. It's got a shower. Doesn't have any running water. Well, it does now, but it didn't have any running water. I took the pump assembly and the tank out of that old motorhome. You remember that old motorhome? Years ago. And I saved that stuff, and that's what I'm using right now. I needed more room so that I could convert my 8mm. I got super 8mm camera. From my early days, way back. Let me take you back. I think it's in the 70s. I'm sure it's in the 70s. And then I went to a great big old VHS, super VHS, big camera. And then now we're into the digital age, which, you know, the cameras have made a lot of changes over the years. But the Super 8s, I converted over to digital. And I'll show you a little clip here of a trip I had up to Canada, and this was one of life's most embarrassing moments. I'd been having a few amber fluids, and I was fishing with my uncle, and I told him I could cast clear across this lake. We're in Lake La Ronge in Saskatchewan, Canada, in 1978, and I cast it out. Of course, it didn't cast very good, and there's out of a whole lake. I hit a tree, not very far, and so I roll up my pants. I go out and I get my bait, and I'll be darned, I pull my whole rod right into the water, and of course my uncle he's just cracking up laughing. Oh man, and you know, and if you hadn't caught that on camera, I could have lived, you know, without it. Well, now I've got a lifetime of memories. That's for sure. Life's most embarrassing moments. Anyway, I had to have the room to do that. I got a wood stove. This place, I got electric ceramic heaters, and I got this wood stove. And I tell you what, with the temperatures being as what they were, and I needed more room because I didn't have that much room in either the Jayco camper or in the truck camper to do the conversions. So that's why I'm here. And I've been hiding out here now most of the winter, and it's working out pretty darn good. I have had to make a lot of changes. No one's lived in here for several years, and it was a mess. Well, it still is. I mean, it's getting better, but yeah, I'm getting it cleaned out. So anyway, on with the video. I got a bunch of stuff. I got breakfast. I got, I don't know. I'll show you. Just keep on watching. Thank you. I think it's the Tennessee Tornado. Brian, thank you very much. This is long overdue. And I just happened to have run out of Texas Pete. So I get to try some of this other hot sauce right now. Look at that. Look at that. I can't wait to try that. Nashville hot chicken sauce. Texas Pete dust. That's awesome. And this is Ho Ho hot sauce. Can't wait to check it out. Bok choy, onion, garlic, mushroom, pepper, bell pepper. It's one of those little mini peppers. And 3 eggs and black pepper. Did I mention the fresh ground pork sausage in there? I hand ground that. I did that myself. There is the queen right there in her spot. She likes to be up there overlooking the outside there. Alright, I tried this and it's pretty darn hot. We can't quite make this totally complete because I don't have any Texas Pete, but this is the next best thing, and I'm telling you, I don't want to overdo it with this because this has got habanero in it. And it's quite a bit hotter than the Texas Pete. But it's, I'll tell you what, it's flavorful. Very flavorful. But just look at that. That's the top of the bok choy. The greens, bok choy greens. Let's dig into that, shall we? These look so good. I'm hungry. That hot sauce is coming right through. It's good though. Flavorful. I don't like just the heat. I like the flavor of heat. I'm gonna have to do some research. I don't know what constitute tiny house. I measured this, it's 45 feet inside by 11 feet inside. Those are inside dimensions. The ceiling's only 6'8". And it's a good thing, you know, if I was any taller, I'd have a hard time walking around in here. But it's not hard to heat, that's the thing. Mm. The sacrifices I make for you guys. Having a little more room, and an antique stove, fireplace. That's the only heat source right there. Other than I got electric heat. I got the, you know, the ceramic heaters. Huh. I got the portable heaters, the well, buddy heaters. You know, I could use those. I don't. I'm using wood, and I got plenty of it. Mm. Thank you, Brian. That hot sauce is good. I'll do a test with all those here coming up. I'll get some hard-boiled eggs or some avocado maybe, or both, you know, and we'll put that to the test. So that'll be in an upcoming video. I want to thank you for watching. Bill Goudy out. This is the power supply that powers the pump, 12 volt. This is the, I think it's 1.5 gallon, maybe 2 gallon. I don't know what it says, compact water heater. But it gets pretty hot, so you still got to take your RV shower, but it's nice to have hot water. That's the extra pump I got out of the old motorhome. That's the water tank that came out of the old motorhome. That's the fill tube. That's the breather tube.
Start's going to be 136 and north 17, 136 and north 17. It's only 28. ZZ, we're at 2241, 4103.